USA import data. You need a USA import data account. We'll give you that information, and it's $50 a month to get that, and that will give you that information on where bestsellers get their products from. Simon has the same question. Simon, that's the same thing for you. USA import data is who I use, and you can see you can get the import data for India, China, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Mexico, blah, 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 and the USA, of course. So what that is, it's a quick little understanding about it. There's something called bill of lading. So bill of lading, whichever one you want to call it, is a publicly available document that all people that import products from one country into another country must have to get their products from one country into another country, okay? Has all of the information about the shipment on it, and it's publicly available, and it must be publicly available for a whole host of different reasons that I won't go into, but the long and short of it is, it's public data, okay? And so what USA import data does is it takes all of those bill of ladings and gives you the information for each individual supplier. So if I find a supplier in Amazon.com that's the best seller in a particular category, given that they are sourcing their product from overseas, and given I can find their business name, because you can't always find that, their LLC, as it's called in America. Given I can find their LLC, then I can find exactly where they're buying their products from, exactly how much product they're selling, and a whole raft of other cool shit as well. That's $50 a month, as I said, and I use it heaps. And as I said, you want that data because you get to find out who the best sellers are using. Well, it's pretty safe bet that a bestseller has either stumbled upon a brilliant supplier for their product or been through a raft of shitty suppliers to arrive at a good one, and now they're using a good one. Either way, you'll find great suppliers for products by using that information. USA import data, bill of ladings, that sort of stuff. Just to be clear, does not work if people are sourcing domestically, because this is only for imported goods, and it only works if you can find the company name itself who's doing it. So quick little example. Let's do one I know very, very well. Resistance bands. So Amazon's choice for resistance bands, and you guys know what Amazon's choice means. Amazon's choice for resistance band is a business called Fit Simplify. So if I go and look at their business, this is Fit Simplify and their business. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's a very, very nice listing. So if I wanted to sell if I wanted to sell resistance bands, then I would go find out about Fit Simplify and find out if Fit Simplify was the name of their company. So if we just Google that, Fit Simplify, well, here it is, home of the #1 best-selling resistance bands on Amazon. Here they are, very, very good, thank you so much. And now if I go look at their privacy policy, for instance, usually on their privacy policy or on their terms and conditions, they will note the name of their LLC. And so you can find out their information that way, or let's go contact them, see if we can get it. Or I can go search under the name of their business plus this and see if I can find it that way. So let's just quickly do that. You've got to kind of play detective, you know what I mean? No, we don't want that one. I want the information, and we don't want that. Oh, come on, Neil. Copy that. Paste it. There we go. So I've got here, look. I've got some Yelp information. I've got, let's try LLC. See if that pulls up. There he is. Oh, it's under Life Simplify. So now I found the name of their business. So they've got a trademark, and of course they need a trademark so they can be brand registered. But Fit Simplify is a trading name for the owner, which is Life Simplify. So now I can find, using that information and using USA import data, I can now find everything about their business, where they import from, who they use, how much they import, how often they import, everything about their business I can now find out because I've got that information.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.